Okay, Dolchek, look, it's like Hot Rod Garage or maybe even Home Shopping Network.
Well, I like the array here. It looks good.
So I wanted this thing to be like twice as fast as it is, and most of all, I wanted it to still just drive every single day.
Okay.
So that's why I went boost. This thing's probably gonna make about 5 pounds of boost. And then I got a carburetor most people would consider way too big. It's an 850, but if we put a 406 or something under all this stuff later, it'll be perfect. Plus, I think you can't get too big of a carburetor on a supercharger.
Bigger's better with the supercharger.
So that'll be mint. I got the Brodix 200cc Iron Killer heads. 960 bucks a pair. The cam, check this out. Hydraulic roller, duration at 50,000 tap at lift, 210, 218.
Wow, Freiburger.
What happened? Minuscule, but look at the lift on this thing. It's an XFI grind. It's 560 on the intake, 555 on the exhaust, so it'll take advantage of the head, even though it's a tiny cam.
All right.
You trust it?
Yeah, how do you want to put it on?
I want to pull the motor all the way out of the car.
I was hoping you were going to say that, because it's only like 6 bolts, according to Tony.
It might be 12. It's 12 bolts.
No, on the bell housing.
Man, hot rods are just a breeze to work on. Yeah, I'm glad we pulled it out. We can perfect a lot of stuff that's sort of sketchy right now.
Oh, for sure. Oh, yuck, that thing's a sludge motor.
That is the never change the oil ever motor. Wow. How's that side?
Ah, that's even worse.
All right, intake manifold ready. This could be real depressing.